Hare Krishna. Welcome to the Krsnatarian way of cooking. So this is a viewer's request video. The name of this recipe is stuffed bittermelon, also known as Bharwa Karela. I'll be showing you how to cook it properly and with the proper kind of stuffing, thus making our Karela completely delicious. So let's look into the ingredients. First I'm going to cut down top and the bottom part of the Karela and then slit it in half and then remove the seeds. After this I'm going to boil water in a pot and then I'm going to add a little bit of salt and then add this Karela. Now I'll cover it with a lid and on low heat I will let it cook. So this is the soaked chickpeas, which is nicely soaked, and I will be blending it with nearly 1 to 1.5 tablespoons of water. First I tried blending it without any water and then I added that 1.5 tablespoons of water to it. You have to make sure that it's not a watery paste. So this is the kind of consistency we desire. So now here it has been 10 minutes. So the Karela is changing color. We don't want it completely cooked. Here then I added the tamarind and then again covered it for another 5 minutes. Just use a knife to check whether the Karela is soft or not. So yes, it has been soft. So now we'll remove the Karela out and then we'll discard the water. Now in this skillet I have taken some sesame oil and then hing, asafetida. Then I added that paste. Now I'm going to continuously stir it until the rawness of the paste goes away. So now here I'll be adding one by one the spices: red chilli powder, coriander cumin seed powder, turmeric powder, garam masala, dry mango powder, and then again mixing it and stirring it for another 3 minutes. Now I'll add the remaining sesame oil, and here is the pulp which I made from fresh tamarind. Just soak some water, warm water, and then soak the tamarind in it, and then you can just add that pulp to it. So you can also use sesame seeds if you do not want to eat too much sesame oil. And here I'm adding now the salt and then mixing it well and then cooking it for around 5 minutes. Fennel seeds, around 2 tablespoons of water, and then cooking for another 3 minutes and turning off the stove. Now here I've taken some oil, sunflower oil that is, and I'll start stuffing the Karela. Whatever mixture is left, you can just smear it around the outside part of the Karela. So now on low heat I will be frying this Karela, covering it with a lid. One side is done, then I will turn it to the other side. Like that, all the 4 sides we will cook it on low heat. You don't keep the heat on high because that can burn your Karela and the stuffing will also not get cooked completely. So the Karelas are done. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked watching this video. Hare Krishna.